Restaurant Month here, we are going to be showcasing true spring dishes, and it really will give you a taste of who the Settlers Inn is with our farm to table and our creativity. I'm going to be making our shaved asparagus salad, and it comes with a apricot basil dressing, shaved asparagus, smoked hazelnuts, goat cheese, and a few like radishes and some beets. So here at the Settlers Inn, being farm to table, it allows us to be super creative, and even though we've been here a long time, we're not limited by anything. Our creativity is our limit. Farm to table is important because to know where your food comes from is wonderful. You don't have to worry about it. It's like working with our farmers allows us to grow interesting vegetables to produce more unique dishes for our customers. We can get asparagus locally grown from a farm called Latosu Farm. It's just out in Beach Lake. John grows lots of great stuff for us. This is our Jail Island salmon. It is sustainably sourced from Jail Island Fisheries, which is one of the few sustainable fisheries that have a Monterey Bay certification. And it's apparently very hard to do that. So you want to get your pan super hot, so that way it gets a nice crisp top. Pan nice and hot sears the salmon and ensures that you're going to get a nice crispy, not skin because we serve skin off, but it'll be nice and crisp, and the salt on top will really add some nice flavor. Black forbidden rice. The reason why it's known as forbidden rice is because back many moons ago, in ancient China, it was considered the best kind of rice, and the only one who could have it was the emperor, so it was forbidden to everybody else. But now, that emperor is long gone, so now we all get to enjoy it.
Make black rice.
And this is our tarragon and pea veloute. Veloute is one of the mother sauces. It's basically stock, so it's kind of like our play on it. It's fresh peas, basil, a lot of tarragon. It's really smooth, and it yells spring. Actually really exciting. This year we are going to start our own small herb and vegetable garden. It's only going to be about 8 by 8, but it'll be a great way for us to start showcasing some interesting things. We're probably going to be growing some purple basil, maybe some Thai basil, lemon thyme. I want to try growing some interesting peppers. Just try to showcase that we truly are farm to table here at Settlers Inn. have some French radish, a little bit of purple cabbage, and some julienne red bell peppers. It's a very green dish because it's spring.